All right, so let's now take this private host and provide it with internet access. It's actually, this arrow should probably point up. We're going to create a network address translation gateway that will allow information out and back in only if this host is requesting internet access. But again, it just maintains a NAT firewall, which is fairly secure. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to services and we're going to choose VPC. And we'll go to NAT gateways. Now you can see I've already created one. But if we create a NAT gateway, you can call it whatever you want. Beck NAT2. Now the subnet is important. You want to choose your public subnet for your NAT gateway because your public subnet actually has internet access. So we're going to place this NAT gateway on your public subnet and then allocate an elastic IP, and that's going to bring in a public IP address for your NAT gateway. I've already done that, so you click create. I'm going to click cancel. And you'll see we have a NAT gateway. The next thing we need to do is we need to go to our private under route tables. We're going to find that private subnet we created earlier. We're going to go to routes, and we're going to edit those routes. Okay, we're going to create 0000/0, and your target here. We'll just recreate it. Add route 0.0.0.0/0, and the target is going to be a NAT gateway, and it's going to be the NAT gateway you just created. It is that simple. And so now our private subnet has a gateway that is a NAT gateway in our public instance. And when we jump into and I had to change the IP address of my remote desktop. This is the new IP address of what I have. My one, this time it's 176. And this will be your second turn-in. So you'll take your command prompt and you'll place it under your 10.205.1.176. You should be able to ping www.google.com. And you should get replies to Google. So now this instance that's on your private subnet has internet access through a NAT gateway.